This is our tempo traveler. It's snowing. Good morning from Dehradun. We are about to start our journey towards Sankri. Our bus has arrived. Now we are searching for that. This is Prince Chalk, from where all the buses leave for Sankri. This is our vehicle to Sankri, and here is our team. हाँ बाकी लोग कहाँ गया? हाँ? Yes man. Trip begins. Yes, the trip begins.
Trip तो अनेक दिन तक begin होएगा. Trip तो कोलकाता से begin.
Okay.
हाँ.
हमारा trip begin. So we are at our first stop. Hour and a half long journey. We'll have our breakfast here and then proceed for the next stop.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear.
Resumed our journey for our first stop near Mussoorie.
Driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear. Like an outlaw on the run, dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no. Keep running. Running low, keep running. I'm running low, keep running. Like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun.
क्या हुआ এখন এখানে আমাদের গাড়ি ধোয়া ব্রেক, উপর থেকে জল পড়ছে, আমাদের ভাইজান সবাই নেমে পড়েছে। এখানে একটা নদীর তীরে আমরা নামবো এখন। নদীতে নেমে যমুনা নদীতে যমুনোত্রী থেকে আসছে, রাইট, এটা যমুনা নদী, একদমই ঠিক।
It's all about humanity.
This is day number 2 of our most awaited Kedarkantha Trek, and this is our tempo traveler. Lot of brothers. Also, regardless our friends, lot of brothers have joined, and this is our driver. भैया जी नाम बताइए आपका? विनोद कुमार जी सुबह से जो चला रहे हैं. He took only 1 hour from Dehradun to reach up to Mussoorie, right? अभी हम लोग कहाँ पे जाएंगे? अभी हम लोग सांकरी जाएंगे। सांकरी जाने में कितना टाइम लगेगा टोटल? 5-6 बजे। अभी घड़ी पे टाइम हुआ है 2 बजे, तो भैया बोल रहे हैं कि 3 घंटे 3.5 घंटे में हम लोग को पहुंचा देंगे, इंक्लूडिंग द ब्रेक फॉर द लंच। सो द फर्स्ट ब्रदर्स जॉइन विद अस। आपका नाम? आशीष। आशीष इज फ्रॉम
Rajasthan.
Ashish is from the legendary Rajasthan. And
Hi, I'm Mohit. I'm from Ranchi.
रांची। ओए होए, यहाँ पे तो रांची के बहुत सारे मिल जाएंगे।
हेलो एवरीवन, आशीष फ्रॉम बैंगलोर।
बैंगलोर? बैंगलोर की कौन सी जगह से? बैंगलोर की कौन सी जगह से?
अच्छे सर।
Heading towards the second group. For kids from Kolkata.
Not kids anymore.
ठीक है, not that kids. Okay. सुबह से उल्टी हो रहा है दोनों का, इसलिए हम लोगों ने हाँ जी
हमने की है वो मीट।
Just because he's been to Kedarnath last year, so he's showing off a little bit. तो आपका नाम बताइए।
Mittu sir. From Kolkata.
हाँ?
Mittu sir.
मिट्टू?
Mittu.
तोता? अच्छा।
Hi, this is Aditya from Kolkata, the city of joy.
ओए होए।
Chandan.
Chandan,
Kolkata.
अच्छा। Chandan, Aditya and Chandan is very much famous in the WhatsApp group created by Trek Up India, which is having already 75 to 76 people, including a lot of different groups coming from. And this kind of in Trek Up India, these groups are there in the number of 15-20. So we can expect a crowd of 800 to 1000, 800 to 1000 for Kedarkantha. मतलब अभी एवरेस्ट पे हिलरी टॉप में अभी इतना क्राउड हो रहा है, why not Kedarkantha, right? And comes to Mr. Neeraj Kumar Singh. He's from Noida actually, happens to be my roommate. He has joined us. This is Shayantan Visas from the city of Joy, Kolkata. And Shayantan, tell us that how many months we've been planning for this trek?
Yeah, we have been planning for 4 months.
More than 4 months. More than 4 months.
Yeah, it's more than 4 months. There were supposed to be 10 to 12
There
people.
were supposed to be actually 10 to 12 people, but due to a lot of reasons,
Most of them.
छुट्टी नहीं मिल पाया, etc. So now from 12 people we have cut down to only 5.
Only 5.
And 4 are coming from Calcutta, and I live in Delhi, being the same group. So this is Mr. Arjun Roy. Arjun.
Good.
ठीक है.
Till now enjoying a lot.
अनिरुद्धा.
स्नो देखना है मेरे को, स्नो खाना है, स्नो घर लेके जाना है, सब करना है मेरे को।
Okay, सुमित नंदी. सुमित बोलो.
He's an introvert person.
So we have been planning for this trip for so long, and now we are going to this trip.
Okay, Shumit happens to be one of the R&D people of our group because he knows the routes, he searches around the temperature, if it is supposed to be snowing, if it is supposed to be... he knows everything.
এখন আমরা লাঞ্চের জন্য নেমেছি, লাঞ্চ ব্রেক, বাট এখানের রেস্টুরেন্টে অলরেডি প্রচুর ভিড়। হারকিদুন রেস্টুরেন্ট, অলরেডি প্রচুর ভিড়, ওয়েটিং টাইমও প্রচুর হবে। লাস্ট স্টপে আমাদের অলরেডি অনেক টাইম ওয়েস্ট হয়ে গেছে, তো উই উইল সার্চ ফর অ্যান অল্টারনেটিভ রেস্টুরেন্ট যেখানে একটু তাড়াতাড়ি খাওয়া যেতে পারে। So at last we have arrived at Sankri base camp. Yes, yes. Everybody is in full josh after a long hectic journey. Everyone is excited about the trek. Although there was a forecast about snowfall here in Sankri, but we are seeing none.
Just after reaching Sankri, we went for some shopping in the Sankri market, and you can also rent equipments like shoes, sticks, head torch, etc., which will be essential for the trek from here in the Sankri market if you do not bring them with you.
Now it's time to get some rest and get ready for tomorrow.
If you have enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.